It's been a busy day in Louisiana high school sports, and it has now escalated to the college ranks. Parkway High School in Bossier City, Louisiana, sent a letter to players and families of players stating that, among other things, players are in danger of having playing time reduced or be kicked off teams entirely at the discretion of the head coach and a school principal should they choose to demonstrate or protest during the national anthem before games. Needless to say, this didn't go over well with current and former players from the state. Former LSU quarterback Brandon Harris, now with North Carolina, sounded off on the threat issued at his former high school. Current Tiger running back derrius Guice did as well, and he engaged with followers who urged him not to participate in any type of protest, including one who threatened to burn all of his LSU gear. At derrius, most college football teams are rent out of the locker rooms when the national anthem is played, which is part of the reason why Northwestern announced that its players will lock arms coming out of the tunnel this weekend versus Wisconsin, rather than taking a knee. Will LSU follow a similar path this weekend? Guice suggested to one follower that it will. At derrius, LSU, the hosts draw at 7 p.m. at Saturday night at Tiger Stadium.